Hello everyone, our paper ID is 262 and our paper is titled as a deep learning approach for prediction of plant diseases. The author of this paper are Thangarajan R, Balasurya K.R, Bharat V.K and Karthikeyan R. The objective of this paper is to predict the plant diseases from the plant leaf images. So for this we are building a model which can predict the disease of the plant by using an EfficientNet model as well as using a DenseNet in the convolutional neural network. The study aims to predict the diseases of the plant using a variety of deep learning models followed by a comprehensive comparison of their performance. Through this analysis, we seek to identify the most effective model, potentially highlighting the EfficientNet B0 and the DenseNet 169 as an optimal choices. Both EfficientNet B0 and DenseNet 169 are a deep neural network architecture which are designed for the image classification. They consist of multiple layers of convolutional layer, pooling layer and a fully connected layer. The pre-trained version of both the model are available, which can be fine-tuned on specific tasks with relatively small and the large datasets. Both the models have shown to achieve a high accuracy on the benchmark image classification datasets. In summary, EfficientNet B0 is known for its efficiency in terms of the model size and computational resources, making it a good choice for resource-constrained applications. DenseNet, on the other hand, is characterized by its dense connectivity, which promotes feature reuse but may require more parameters and computational resources. Here is the literature review of our paper. We have referred several papers like a dataset of field plant images for plant disease detection and a classification with deep learning and so on. By analyzing the papers, we came to know that there are primarily 5 common deep learning models which are used for plant disease detection as well as for the classification. They are MobileNet, VGG16, Inception V3, Inception ResNet V2 and AlexNet. The MobileNet is designed for efficient interference on the mobile and the embedded devices with the limited computational resources. It has a less number of parameters and computations, making it so lightweight. The VGG16 is known for its simplicity and a uniform architecture. It consists of 16 weight layers with a 3x3 convolutional filters. Even though it achieved a good accuracy, it is relatively deep and has a large number of parameters, making it more computationally expensive. The Inception V3 is the part of the Inception family of model, and it is designed to improve the trade-off between the computational cost and accuracy. It employs a combination of different filter sizes in parallel to capture the feature at the multiple scales, reducing the need for the very deep networks. The Inception ResNet V2 is an extension of the Inception V3. It combines the strength of the both Inception and ResNet architecture, resulting in a powerful and the EfficientNet model. The AlexNet is one of the early deep learning convolutional neural network that helps to kickstart the deep learning revolution. It has a relatively shallow architecture compared to the more modern models. In summary, the maximum number of plant disease detection deep learning models have been trained with the plant village datasets, in which the images in the dataset are taken from the laboratory conditions, in which the background of the images is plain and only a single leaf will be present in the image. The study explores plant disease prediction through various deep learning models, highlighting the EfficientNet and the DenseNet model, which uses the plant dataset, which has been a potential effective choices for the prediction of diseases. There is a rapid spread of plant diseases which poses a significant threat to global food security and agricultural sustainability. Timely and accurate prediction of plant diseases is crucial to prevent the outbreaks, minimize the crop loss and optimize the use of agricultural resources. The United Nations provided Sustainable Development Goal, in which our paper will come under the second Sustainable Development Goal called End Hunger, which achieves the food security and improved nutrition and promote the sustainable agriculture. Traditional methods of disease detection are often labor-intensive, time-consuming and prone to human error. Therefore, there is a need for the deep learning model that can predict the plant diseases in real time. Here is the proposed methodology. The input of the plant leaf images will be given. These images will be pre-processed and it will be split into training images as well as the testing images. The training images will be going under the image augmentation. After this, the image will be given into the CNN model training, in which the model will be trained with the help of the train images, and after that the prediction of the images will be done using the trained models. After that, the accuracy will be analyzed and the disease will be identified. Here are the modules used. The first, the plant leaf images is given as an input. The second step is the image pre-processing, in which the image resizing is done, where the image has fixed to a common size of 224 x 224, and the format of the image is changed to .jpg. After that, image augmentation is done, where the images will be rotated as well as the images will be flipped horizontally as well as vertically. The next step is the building the model. Here we use the EfficientNet B0 with attention model and as well as the DenseNet 169 model. Next, training the model. The model stores the training history, which contains the information about the model's performance during the training, such as an accuracy loss for each epoch. After that, evaluating the model. So in this step, the accuracy of the CNN model is evaluated, and the accuracy is determined by comparing the model's predicted labels for the test images with the actual truth labels. Next, we are predicting the results. So upon achieving the satisfactory accuracy, the trained CNN model is used to predict the disease. It is employed for identifying the diseases in new images, which is particularly valuable domains in like agriculture. Here comes the model description. Here we are using the two models. One is the EfficientNet B0 and another one is the DenseNet 169. In the EfficientNet, we are adding an extra attention layer to it. So the EfficientNet model are characterized by their compound scaling approach, which involves the scaling the depth, width and the resolution. The attention model keeps the EfficientNet as its backbone, and it combines with it and focuses on the specific part of an input. The DenseNet 169 is to densely connect each layer to the every other layer in order to reduce the loss. By this, the accuracy of the model will be improved as compared with the other models. The EfficientNet has a total of 237 layers and the DenseNet has a total of 169 layers. The software and the tools used are the Python 3+, which has a TensorFlow, Open Datasets and the Matplotlib libraries, and the Google Colab. Here is the dataset description. Here we are using two datasets called the plant dog dataset and the plant village dataset. In the plant dog datasets, there are 27 different classes. In the plant village dataset, there are 38 different classes. As we can see in the image, for the plant village datasets, the background of the image is plain and only a single leaf will be present in the image with the less noise. In the plant dog dataset, the images will be directly taken from the plant where it does not have the uniform background images. So our main focus is on the plant dog datasets, which is more like a real-time dataset. In the EfficientNet model, for the plant dog dataset, the model achieved an impressive accuracy of 93% with a corresponding loss of 0.23%. The precision and recall scores were also commendable, standing at 96% and 93% respectively. On the plant village dataset, the model demonstrated even higher accuracy, reaching a 99% with the minimal loss of 0.02%. The precision and recall score minored this excellence, both registering at 99%. In the DenseNet model, for the plant dog dataset, the model displayed a high accuracy of 98% with a relatively low loss of 0.07%. The precision and recall were favorable at 93 and 91% respectively. However, on the plant village dataset, while the accuracy remained strong at 95%, the model showed a slightly evaluated loss of 0.13%. Most notably, the precision score reached 100%, but the recall dropped to 9%. This result suggests that the EfficientNet with the attention model generally outperformed the DenseNet model across both the datasets, exhibiting a higher accuracy and more balanced precision recall trade-offs. Here is the output images. Here is the references that we used in this paper, and thank you.